In this video, we will show you how to transfer from iPhone to Android. It will help you transfer all your data like contacts, text messages, photos, videos, music, apps, calendars, etc. from your old iPhone to new Android. Way 1. How to transfer all data from iPhone to Android with Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Install and launch the program on your computer, and you will see the initial interface as below. Step 2. Connect your devices to the computer with USB cables. When both iPhone and Android device are successfully connected to the program on computer, you will get an interface as below. Step 3. Data that can be transferred will present on the middle panel. Choose the data you want to transfer from iPhone to Android and click Start Copy button to start transfer. Data like contacts, text messages, books, photos, music, videos are supported to transfer from iPhone to Android. Way 2. How to transfer from iPhone to Android with Google Drive. Step 1. Download and install the latest version of Google Drive on your device. Step 2. Open the app on your iPhone and sign in with your Gmail account. Then you will see the three-dot menu which is located on the top left. Click on it and from there you go to Settings Backup. Step 3. The Google Drive will automatically choose to create the backup for your iPhone data. You can choose to remove any categories of the data that you don't want to transfer by tapping the blue slider. After that, click on the Start Backup button and your data will automatically transferred to the cloud storage. Step 4. Now you may sign into the same Google Drive account on your Android. Then you will see all the data transferred from your iPhone just now appearing safe and sound. You just need to sync the data of your Android and then all the data is moved from iPhone to Android. Although this method is easy, it may take hours to complete the backup process. Way 3. How to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android. Step 1. On your iPhone, turn on Contacts in Settings iCloud. Step 2. Log in with your iCloud account. Step 3. On the iCloud page, let your iPhone sync your contacts to iCloud. Step 4. On computer, export your contacts from iCloud into a VecFF file, and then import it to your Google account. Step 5. Let your Google account sync your contacts to your Android. Way 4. How to transfer text messages from iPhone to Android. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Open iTunes and click Backup Now to back up your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Connect your Android to the computer in the same way. Then copy the iTunes backup file to the SD card of your Android. Step 3. Download ISMS to Droid app on Android. Open it and choose Select iPhone SMS database. Then choose the messages and convert them to XML file. Step 4. Download and install SMS Backup and restore on Android. With the help of it to restore your iPhone SMS in XML file to Android SMS database. Way 5. How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android. Step 1. Connect both your devices to the computer with USB cables. Step 2. Open your iPhone folder on the computer. Find internal storage DSIM. Step 3. Choose the wanted photos and copy them to the SD card of your Android. Note: this method is used to dealing with photos in iPhone camera roll. Way 6. How to transfer video and music from iPhone to Android. Step 1. Connect both your devices to the computer with USB cables. Step 2. Open iTunes. Click your iPhone and choose Transfer Purchase to have your iPhone music and videos transferred to iTunes. Step 3. Browse to the iTunes media folder on the computer. Step 4. Choose wanted music and videos, and copy them to your Android SD card.